Hello, in front of me I've got Hollow Knight Silksong. In this video I'll show you how to unlock Swift Step. To unlock Swift Step skill, we have to go to Deep Docks. Find this location where I am right now and approach this hole in the tree. Inspect it to unlock the Swift Step. In order to access this location, you have to go not straight upwards, but you have to go forward, and then at the end of the map you have to go climb upwards, again upwards, left, downwards, and then left to the place I am currently. To use Swift Step, simply press R2 button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.